Creating a list. Python uses lists to store the sequential order of different kinds of data. Because Python lists are changeable types, we can change their elements after they have been generated. Although Python has 6 data types that may hold sequences, the list is the most popular and dependable form. To create a list, you need to place all the elements separated by a comma inside a square bracket. The list can contain any number of elements of different data types such as integer, float, character, and so on. Syntax to create a list. List underscore name is equal to square bracket value 1, value 2, value 3, and so on. An empty list is a list that does not contain the items in it. The example of the empty list is given as follows. To create empty list, list1 is equal to square bracket. Some other examples of the list are given as follows. To create list of 4 integer elements, L1 is equal to square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. To create list of characters, L1 is equal to square bracket single quotes A, single quotes B, single quotes C. To create list of 3 strings, L1 is equal to square bracket double quotes Nikhil, double quotes Deekshant, double quotes Jatin. To create list of integer and float numbers, L1 is equal to square bracket 1, 1.5, 2.5, 7. To create list with mixed data types, L1 is equal to 7, double quotes hello, 3.14. Let us write a Python program to print the different types of lists. On running the above program, you will get the following output. Nested list. A list that contains another list is called a nested list. The example of the nested list is given as follows. To create nested list, L1 is equal to square bracket single quotes orange 2.0, 5, square bracket, 10, 20, square bracket closed. Let us write a Python program to print the nested list. On running the above program, you will get the following output.